Alright guys, I wanted to do a quick video tonight on the swing analysis cameras and how to add them to the Uneekor system. Uneekor hasn't come out with their official cameras yet. I think it'll be about another month, but I've got two older ELP cameras that I played around with and got them to work, so I kind of want to show you how to do that. So the first thing, and I'm assuming you got your cameras plugged in and they're working, but so to add them to the system, you come into your success folder, which is your main file folder, and you will see a file called CR Swing Analysis Set.exe. Double click on that. If your cameras don't come up, all you have to do, mine come up because I've already added them, but you come in and you pick it, the system will see all the cameras that you have, and it will, you pick the one you want and it'll come up. And then a cool thing is you can come in to the camera, you can go over here to settings. I've told it that on view 1 I want, which camera I want. And then you can hit on the video setting, and here's where you can control all your brightness settings, things like that. So if you see, I can go in and you can tweak those, and you can also flip them or rotate them, whatever you need to do. So once you've done that, you save it. You've added the cameras to the system. Now the next thing to do is to open up the Ignite software or the club fitting software, and let that load up. The cameras I've got are ELP. They are 60 frame per second cameras, which I think we may need a little higher, and I'm hoping that the Uneekor cameras will be a little higher frame rate. But anyway, I mean, they work. So you go in, just pick a club so that you can get to this screen, and then you just want to go to the swing motion field, and you'll see where I'm showing the live shots that come in. If they don't show up, you go into settings of this, and right here you tell the left and right which cameras you want. And again, if you need to flip them, rotate them, you do that. So you basically are doing the same thing that you did in the other program. So I want to go and show you. Let's hit a shot and see how what you can do with the cameras.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Alright, so that's a little 8-iron. And let's see what we can show you where the cameras really come through. Of course, you got your, this is your Uneekor stereo camera here that's showing you the club through the ball impact, and you know about that. But anyway, you go to swing motion and go to replay. Now here is that last swing. So you're getting a front and a back view. And the really neat thing is, and I can remember the old days, we tried to get the Kinovea system and cameras to work with our systems, and we had to worry about timing and triggering it and playback and all that. All that's out the window. With this software, you just it's really just plug and play. You can come in and if you want to come in and draw some lines here, or if you technical guys, a lot of you knowing what to do and being able to do it are two different things. You got to love this posture that this guy has. That's what happens when you turn 55. But anyway, man, it's just great tools. You can play back at half speed or 1/8 speed. All that stuff's available for you. And this is in the fitting software or Ignite software. Now, same thing, same cameras and the same tools you can take over to the main program, and like if you want to go to the driving range and I'll show you where you can play back that swing analysis after every shot, or you can just save it and go to it when you want it. You'll figure all that out. But if we go to the short range, go to the range mode, we'll start that. We'll hit a shot here. Got so much stuff running on my computer. Hold on a second. Let me. There we go. All right. So let's hit the same 8-iron. All right. So we'll go over here. And there's your playback. I've got it set automatically so that you're getting everything. But if you wanted to just hit F9, if you just want to get the ball through the impact on this screen, once you get it here, you can really play back at different speeds. So that's gives you all your data, blah blah blah. Then you can hit F8, and again you get back to your swing analysis system. Again, you can come in and this one even has a little more tools. You can come in with all this stuff and draw lines, and I think that's you can draw little lines. You can also come over, and if you want to blow something up, now you can go back here and get your swing. And this is pretty cool. You can go in here and you can even move this around if you want to get it better centered. Got my chair in the way, sorry about that. So, you do the same thing over here. Total control. So I don't know what this is. I'm probably going to mess it up, but anyway, not sure. Oh, grids. That's pretty cool. Anyway, so that's the swing analysis system. So if you have any questions about that, let me know. It's pretty clear. And like I said, the cameras I've got, I'll put a link to them. They're about $75 cameras, but I really think we probably need a higher frame per second. I'm thinking maybe 120. So anyway, I know there's some technical guys out there that can probably give us a better answer on that. So anyway, if you have any questions, let me know.